So this is the shortest palindrome 214, and given a string you have to tell look, the string given can be a palindrome, may not be a palindrome. If it is a palindrome, okay, it's good for us because question wants us to find how many minimum number of, not minimum number of operation, but okay, question wants to find the shortest palindrome that we can create. So give me the shortest palindrome that you can create by performing this basically a transformation, an operation. Okay, what's an operation? You add a particular character in front of the given string s. Okay, you want a shortest palindrome, right? So something shortest base and you are adding characters. Okay, so you want to minimize the number of additions. Okay, let's say this is equal to k, and when you are after performing k additions you will get a string. Okay, now this string should be a palindrome. That's why you can say that, okay, this string which is what this is, yeah, it is. Okay, so you can add any character in front of it. So this question basically, what you need to do, your goal is to quickly make this string as a palindrome. Okay, obviously string is not a palindrome. We are doing some operations in between over here. What is the operation? Operation is adding a character. Okay, how the adding of character helps? Adding a character helps. Let's say abcd, it's not a palindrome, but I can add a characters in front of it. I can add d, I could have added like c and d, I could have added b, c and d. Now it's a palindrome. So I add three characters in front in whatever way you want, but just the output should be like, yeah, you add first, you add b, then you add in front of that c, in front of that d. So when you add b, this becomes your string. Okay, when you add complete c in front of this, then this becomes your string. Then you add d, this becomes your string. That is a palindrome. So that's what you need to do. So now let me tell you how you have to do this question. This is yeah related to one of the problems that ask us to find the minimum number of additions you want to make it a palindrome. That's exactly same question. Okay, so minimum number is 3 in this case, and how will you find out that which three numbers I'm adding? This comes from the property of a palindrome, that the first character should be equal to the last character. So if I'm adding three character, which means I'm obviously adding the last three characters, because last are not going to change. I'm just changing my first x characters, so first k characters. So if I say after adding k equal to three characters, my string becomes a palindrome, which means the first three characters which I added are exactly equal to the last three characters that needs to be there, and exactly this. So yeah, let me tell you how you have to do. So string uh, ns, I call it ns, string plus reverse of string. Now how you get reverse of string? Okay, so you got rs is equal to s, then what you do, reverse rs dot begin and rs dot end. So this gives you uh, rs. Now what you need to do, you need to find vector. I could have written like basically lps, but what you really want is that your string is going to be like what your number of additions. Let I call it na is equal to lps dot back. Okay, this is going to be your na, and what your final string is going to be like return s. But before that, what you have to exactly write? Okay, reverse of s dot substring. Okay, so let me store it into a particular string. To add is equal to rs dot substr na. Yeah, sorry, yep, na 0 comma na. You could better write it like that. 0 comma na, that will be the reverse of that, and that's exactly what we know, reverse, yeah, reverse of the original. But yeah, so that's exactly what we want. We want ta plus s. Okay, that's what we want. Now how to find this na? Okay, na we can find out easily. Okay, let me implement that vector. It takes your string. uh, r or whatsoever, which is initialized to 1 if I'm not wrong. No, it's not initialized to 1 else. But yeah, the size is very fine. Is n is equal to s dot size, obviously, right? Now what happens? S of I into LPS of I minus 1, which is initially, okay, S of P, it does not is equal to S of P. What I say, P is equal to LPS of P minus 1, something like that. While this is not equal to this, and before that, you need to make sure that your P is. So basically, we say that LPS of A, let's say first character, is equal to 0 always, because yeah, don't call it 1, right? Now, because let's talk about AB or AA. In case of AB, I'm going to say that okay, S of I and the previous was 0, while S of 1 is not equal to S of 0. Okay, so it is not equal. AB is not equal. So P becomes 1 becomes LPS of P minus 1 0. Okay, now they are equal. So yeah, that's what it is. Now they are equal. Hmm. Yeah, so P is the length. I think that should be it. Okay, in case of AA, S of I is A, S of 1 is A, S of P is also A. Okay, let's talk about ABAB. Okay, I'm currently standing on B, so I see that okay, ABA, its answer is 1. I just check which my S of I is equal to B, okay, is equal to S of P, which is 1. Yes, it is. Yeah, I think that's fine. So this gives you correct LPS array, and if it is, then I can get that back, and I can get that TA. If you want to look out for a more detailed explanation of this LPS, KMP, CB, goes, I can share this resource. Like yeah, this resource you can refer to. Yep, it would be nice. It is nice. Uh, Uh, so as you can see, LPS of R minus 1 is okay. Sorry, this is R. This is R. 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 Return R. LPS back. What is LPS? L. Okay, so I was talking about this resource. It's a pretty good resource for prefix function. Okay, okay. So the over here they have given a decent explanation that okay, um, over here you can see it's as high is not equal to j. J should be greater than equal to 0, and the j becomes this. Then you could have that written as plus p is equal to j plus 1 kind of thing. I think that's fine approach. That's just a different implementation. Okay. Okay. I would like to see what is in there. And yeah, one thing which we can do here is this. What? So the size is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And double A matches with double E. Double A C in C double A. C in C double A, that matches up. Yeah, that matches. You started from 1 to 1, I think, yeah? That's one. Okay, so this is NS, not, yep. double A C E C double A C E C double. Now what I need to do is
ओ अपनी रोटी बता दे वो हर रखा कर दिखाई जाए कितनी दो इसमें रखी है ठीक है अब खाए कल खा कर सकता इससे रोटी नहीं खाई इस वजह से अपने बता दो मैं बना के अपना बैठा रहूंगी चम्मच रख देना अपने तेरी कितनी बनाओ खाती थी
टाइम हो रहा चलाने का टाइम हो रहा चलाने का
क्या सही लग रहा बढ़िया लग रहा अभी से खत्म कर बस अब 2-4 दिन में है जाओ
yeah, 6 is getting
वो खाएगा ना
पोहा खाएगा जल्दी बोल चल हम खा रहे हैं तुम्हारे
last number should be 6.
कैसे लगी शादी नमक कौन तेज तो नहीं
Last number is 2, that is
है
getting wrong.
ठीक है
बाद में जरूर खाए आज प्याज टमाटर डाल कर पत्ता डाल
चला तो धो ले वो तो नहीं खाते हैं
अगर हम लोग खा ले सर
मैं खाने पीने में लापरवाही ना करें दिक्कत नहीं ऐसे सही सुपर रहा है
Now it looks fine. Okay. The issue was 1 plus P instead of 1 plus RP. I think that's submitted. It will get submitted, then we'll end this. Okay, now we can end this. Okay, guys, bye.